Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is the ninth and final day of Navratri and also the celebration of Dasara. May this Dasara spread goodness around you and your family. Today's color is purple and purple represents ambition, goal and energy. So today I bring you a very unique and unusual recipe, the purple yam tart. Most of these recipes are first time trials and I hope this concept of mine resonated with you. Let's start by preparing the tart. Sieve the flour and add in a pinch of salt and sugar and combine everything well. Remember to add in chilled butter. Now I've used big chunks because butter melts very fast over here. You can cut it into smaller pieces and use if you like. Rub the butter into the flour and mix it well till you get a grainy texture. This should hold shape when pressed but also break easily. Now add in the chilled water a little at a time till it all comes together. Gather all the flour together, do not knead it. Wrap it in a cling wrap or in a parchment paper and place it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. As your dough is chilling, start lining your tart tins with butter and dust it with flour. Get your dough from the refrigerator and start rolling it to half a centimeter thickness. Trim the edges and cut it in the required shape of the tart mold. Line the tart molds with the dough and press it down firmly to the bottom and the corners. Trim off the excess with a knife. Once done, prick the tart molds with a fork. Before baking the tarts, they have to be lined with either a cling wrap or parchment paper, and you can put in some grains or pulses so that it doesn't rise. Preheat your oven and bake at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. When done, get your tarts out and remove the butter paper or cling wrap along with the grains. Now place your tarts back into the oven and bake it for 5 minutes more or till golden brown. When done, you can let it cool and remove it from the molds. Your tarts are now ready. Keep it aside and let's start with the filling. I have used the purple yam for the filling. I said this was unique and unusual because I had never seen a purple yam before. When I thought of this color, I was looking for ingredients that would naturally give me this color. This was when my husband suggested that I use the purple yam. The weight of this yam was around 348 grams. Now wash and peel the yam and cut it into small pieces. Cook it for 10 to 15 minutes or till soft. Mash the cooked yam and pass it through a sieve to get a smooth mixture. Add in the butter at room temperature and the sugar and combine well. I have used a drop of color to get the dark purple. Now add in the whipped cream and a pinch of salt if required and mix it till you get a smooth and glossy mixture. Prepare your piping bag with a star nozzle and fill in the mashed yam mixture in it. Fill your tarts with the yam mixture. These tarts look very colorful and tempting. Bake the tarts once again at 160 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Enjoy this colorful and healthy purple yam tarts. I hope you enjoyed these 9 recipes as much as I did preparing them. Do try them and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share them with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.